How to do an intro in Capcut. Open the Capcut. Today I will show you how to add intro in Capcut by using these simple steps. Import the video you want to make an intro. Click on plus icon at video. Video is dragged to your editing timeline. Go to text. Select default text. Write the text of your choice. I used lightning. Resize the text. Go down. Make the opacity less. Go down. And select the text style. Now play the video. You will see text on video. Now go to Effects. Search for effect. Write fuzzy. Select the effect and put it on the video. Play the video and you can see the effect applied on video. And it seems really good. Now go to audio to add sound effect to the text. Select the sound and add it to the video. Adjust the sound. Play the video. You will see that intro with text effect and sound on video. That is how you can do an intro in Capcut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.